Keep rolling. Are you looking for a luxurious Woodbury home that has plenty of space to entertain, a custom backyard with a beautiful patio, a no-maintenance pergola, grilling area, and an outdoor fireplace? And if that's not enough, we also have an indoor sport court that you're going to want to stick around for. Welcome to 9772 Iron Horse Road in Woodbury, Minnesota, in the beautiful Highcroft neighborhood. And me, I'm Darin Bjerknes with Minnesōtan, brokered by eXp. Let's head inside and take a look at this beauty. As we pass through the covered front porch and enter into the spacious foyer, we have the flex room to the right that can be used as your home office, and to the left, we've got the formal dining area. Next is the powder room, large mudroom, and access to the heated, oversized 3-car garage. Moving on, and we enter into the gourmet kitchen area that has panoramic views of the main level. And it features a large center island with quartz counters, custom white shaker cabinets, under cabinet lighting, a gas cooktop, convenient pot filler, high-end appliances with a double oven, and finishing off the kitchen is the butler's pantry area and the walk-in food pantry. Next is the light-filled informal dining area that flows into the large great room that has gas fireplace, a wood beam mantle, built-ins, and gorgeous views of the backyard. Another thing I want to point out are all of the archways in this home that are a beautiful touch and attention to detail. Moving down the hallway, we have the executive office space that has custom wainscoting detail and a little sneak peek of the indoor sport court that you're gonna have to wait around for. As we make our way to the second level, we've got the princess suite to the left with a 3-quarter bathroom, a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer and laundry basin. We've got bedroom 2 and 3 separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Finishing out the second level, and we have the owner suite with a box vault ceiling, gorgeous views of the backyard and pond, a huge walk-in closet with custom built-ins, and an ensuite bathroom that has 2 sinks, soaking tub, and large walk-in shower. Now on to the lower level and sport court. As we make it down to the lower level, we've got a very open space here, and this area could be used as a 5th bedroom if one needed it. Another thing I want to point out is that it is roughed in for a wet bar area. Otherwise, this space is perfect for a ping pong table or pool table. Moving on past the family room, which is great for watching movies, we have the workout area and a conveniently located 3-quarter bathroom that's perfect for when you have those sweaty workouts. And now, finally, the indoor sport court. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. If you're in Minnesota, this is perfect. You can play hoops all winter long. To finish off this amazing house, we have to check out the backyard, and I have a feeling you're going to like it. To make it out onto the deck, we've got gorgeous backyard views, a fully fenced yard, custom backyard lighting. As we make it down the stairs, we've got a patio area that leads to an entertainer's dream space. I mean, just look at this. We've got a bar area with granite counters. We've got a custom grilling space, again with granite counters, paver patio here, and a beautiful wood outdoor fireplace. Can you imagine entertaining and hosting here? Just amazing, isn't it? If you'd like to see it in person, reach out and I'll get you inside. Also, if you'd like your home featured like this one, shoot me a text and we'll get the conversation rolling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.